Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Kefir Fermenter is probably one of the most versatile and beneficial kitchen appliances you can add to your routine, allowing you to effortlessly craft delicious and health-boosting probiotic-rich kefir right in your own home, saving you money and ensuring you always have a fresh supply of this amazing fermented dairy or non-dairy drink, perfect for smoothies, baking, or simply enjoying on its own. Number 5. Elementi Fermentation Kit. Introducing the Elementi Fermentation Kit, designed to make home fermentation simple and enjoyable. Elevate your culinary creations with ease. Crafted from food-safe, non-porous glass, these weights ensure no unwanted flavors or odors transfer to your food. Enjoy pure, unadulterated taste every time. Keep your vegetables perfectly submerged, preventing spoilage from excess oxygen. Achieve delicious kimchi, sauerkraut, and pickles with every batch. Our weights are perfectly sized for wide-mouth mason jars, making small batch fermentation easy and fun. They are also ideal for pickling. Built to last, these weights are reusable and dishwasher safe for effortless cleaning. Their durable construction ensures they will be a staple in your kitchen for years. Featuring an easy grip handle, these weights are designed for secure handling. If needed, they can be easily retrieved from your jar with a fork. What we like. This set is made from food-safe glass, ensuring no flavor transfer. It's designed to keep your fermenting vegetables submerged, preventing spoilage. If you are looking for a reliable way to make small batches of sauerkraut or pickles at home, this is a great choice. What people say. The glass jar is thick and sturdy, and the fermentation lid is well designed, allowing for easy gas release while preventing contamination. It comes with everything you need to get started, including detailed instructions and starter cultures. The process is straightforward and yields delicious, creamy kefir. I appreciate the compact size of the fermenter, which fits perfectly on my countertop without taking up too much space. Number 4. Cultures for Health Continuous Kombucha Brewing Jar. Making your own fermented drinks at home has never been easier. This continuous brew kit is designed for endless at-home fermentation, allowing you to keep the brewing cycle going. You have multiple options for how to approach continuous brewing. You can dispense and bottle most of your batch at once and add new sweet tea, or drain as needed and add more tea later. This 1.3-gallon jar provides the ideal amount of space for continuous brewing. After you've dispensed most of your previous batch, you'll have plenty of room for your next one. Glass is the best material for brewing because it doesn't scratch or react to acidity. The breathable stainless steel mesh top provides airflow while protecting your brew from contaminants. Cleaning is simple. Just rinse with lukewarm water and a bit of distilled white vinegar. No need to rinse the vinegar, as it helps promote the growth of good bacteria. What we like. This large glass jar with a spigot simplifies continuous fermentation. You can easily dispense your finished kombucha and keep the brewing cycle going. If you're a regular kombucha drinker and want a hassle-free way to brew large batches at home, this is the perfect solution for you. What people say. The fermenter is easy to use and clean. It produces delicious and healthy kefir. The design is compact and fits well on the counter. Number 3. Elementi Fermenting Kit. Introducing the Elementi Fermenting Kit, your all-in-one solution for creating delicious fermented foods at home. This kit makes the process simple and enjoyable. Crafted from food-safe glass and BPA-free plastic, our components ensure your ferments are free from harmful substances. You can ferment with confidence, knowing there's no risk of flavor or odor transfer. Keep your vegetables perfectly submerged and prevent spoilage with our specially designed weights and lids. They create the ideal anaerobic environment crucial for successful fermentation. Our kit is compatible with most wide-mouth mason jars, transforming them into fermentation crocks. It's perfect for small batch ferments, pickling, and more. Built to last, these weights and lids are thick, heavy, and reusable for years to come. They are also conveniently dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Easily make your favorite fermented foods like sauerkraut and kimchi. Simply add your ingredients, submerge with a weight, and let our kit do the rest for perfect results every time. What we like. This kit includes both glass weights and BPA-free plastic lids for wide-mouth mason jars. The weights keep your vegetables submerged, while the lids help maintain an anaerobic environment. If you want to easily convert your existing mason jars into fermentation crocks for small batches of sauerkraut or kimchi, this is an excellent option. What people say. This is a great product for making kefir. It is easy to use and clean. The kefir comes out perfectly every time. Number 2. Kefir Fermenter Infuser 0.6L. Unlock the power of homemade probiotics with our innovative fermenter. Enjoy fresh, healthy kefir made in your own kitchen. Whether you prefer milk or water kefir, this versatile infuser handles both with ease. Create your favorite probiotic drinks anytime. The perfect size for your daily needs, this infuser holds 0.6 liters or 20 ounces. It's ideal for individuals or small families. Making kefir has never been simpler. Just add your ingredients, let it ferment, and enjoy the delicious, gut-friendly results. Experience the benefits of pure, natural probiotics. Our fermenter ensures a clean and efficient process for optimal health. Get your kefir ready faster than ever. This infuser is designed for rapid fermentation, saving you time and effort. What we like. This infuser is designed for rapid homemade kefir production, whether milk or water-based. It's a compact 0.6L size, perfect for quick batches. If you're new to making kefir or want a simple, fast way to get your daily dose of probiotics at home, this infuser is ideal. What people say. The fermenter is designed with a wide mouth for easy cleaning and filling. It comes with a built-in airlock that effectively prevents contamination while allowing gas to escape. The glass jar is durable and doesn't retain odors, ensuring a pure kefir taste. Number 1. Kefir Fermenter Infuser 0.6L. Unlock the goodness of homemade kefir with our easy-to-use fermenter. Its convenient size and design make the process simple and enjoyable for everyone. Beyond kefir, this versatile infuser is perfect for creating your own delicious infusions. Experiment with fruits, herbs, and more to craft unique flavors. This compact fermenter is designed to fit seamlessly into your kitchen routine. Its 0.6L capacity is ideal for personal use or small batches. Crafted for both quality and convenience, it features a comfortable handle for easy carrying and pouring. Enjoy fresh, homemade beverages with confidence. Begin your journey into healthy fermentation today. With this reliable tool, you can easily create nutritious and flavorful kefir and infusions right at home. What we like. This kefir infuser comes with a convenient handle, making it easy to use for both homemade kefir and other infusions. Its 0.6L capacity is great for single servings or small batches. If you appreciate ease of use and want a dedicated tool for making kefir or infusing beverages at home, this product is a great pick. What people say. The fermenter is designed with a wide mouth, making it easy to add ingredients and clean. It includes a built-in strainer, which simplifies the process of separating the kefir grains from the liquid. The glass jar is durable and doesn't retain odors, ensuring the purity of the kefir taste. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.